A moment for a
under
small
the
content
mat,
creator
it's
folded
not flat
hands.
on the table. I have glue that I got on there before. Patches glue. That's why I keep a crowbar.
Yay, crowbar.
I like that. All right. Now I'm gonna flip everything just like so. Now I'm gonna put the glue on top, just a thin layer. And then I'm going to take the clamps and I'll show you how I'm going to clamp it so it stays nice. Aha, hear that? Nice. Not too much, not too little. You're going to want it to just bead through the board when you clamp it up. Boop, boop. And I'm just flipping them back over. And you see how I did it? So now they are all, I didn't need to put glue on that side. Boom, boom. Got them all set. Now I'm gonna flip. Oh, you see, that's why I put the mat down. And now we have our board drying.